Hello everyone, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed last class, important point about acidity of alcohols. Okay, the most important point. Okay, in acidity of alcohol, the electron donating groups and electron withdrawing group. These two groups are most important. If the electron donating group is there, the acidity is going to decrease. If the electron withdrawing group is there, the acidity is going to increase. So this is what most important point. Okay. Next, in this case, what if more number of electron donating group is there, that is what less acidic, because in this case important, I told you the last video a trick on what strong acid or a good acid. The three important points are there. The one is what easy removal of H plus ion. When you are going to say more acidic means what, the H plus will go out easily, that is what more acidic. The first point is what easy removal of H plus ion. The second one is low pH or a pKa, that is what dissociation constant of an acid. Next, after that what, the negative should be less on COO minus. Okay, those kinds of property follow that, then only we call what strong acids. Okay, that is important. Next, they are going to compare with what, water and alcohol. Out of these two, which is a more acidic? Obviously the answer is what, H2 is a more acidic than what, alcohol, because in alcohol there is a what, CH3. For what is the formula of alcohol? CH3OH is there. Now this CH3 is act as a electron donating group. Automatically what happen, the negative charge on the oxygen atom is going to increases, the hydrogen will go out, hydrogen will not go out easily. That's why the alcohol is a less acidic compared to water. Water means you know very well about that, HOH is there. In this case there is no electron donating and electron withdrawing group, automatically the hydrogen will go out easily, they are left with what, OH minus. That is why that is important. H2O is a what, more acidic compared to what, alcohol. Today we are going to discuss the next part. This is also important. What is that? Acidity of what? Phenols. Okay, acidity of what? The next important point is what? Acidity of phenols. Okay, in this case we are going to study about what, the heading is what, acidity of phenols. Acidity of alcohols is completed. Now the next point is what, acidity of phenols. Next question in this case what, the phenol and alcohol. The next question arises, if phenol is there, alcohol is there, out of the two which is a more acidic? Obviously answer is what, phenol is a more acidic than what, alcohol. The reason is very simple. Just here in this case phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Here is there everything on the board for notes purpose. Due to stabilization of phenoxide ion through resonance. Next question, what is the meaning of stabilization? Just see here, I am going to write the resonance for this one. Here is there. Okay, what is the name of this one? Here OH is there. Okay, OH is there. What is the name of this one? Phenol. Compare with alcohol, phenol is a more acidic. In this case what happened? Resonance due to what? Equilibrium. These two are stabilized. Phenol is what? Equilibrium. In this case what happened? There is a formation of what? Negative charge plus release of H plus. In this case negative charge is there, this is indicate what? Resonance stabilized. Just here in this case what happened? This negative charge donate here, automatically in this case double bond is going to break. Next in this case what? Formation of negative charge. Next after that this bond is going to shift here. Okay, in this case what happened? Due to this phenoxide ion, what we are going to call this one? This is what? Phenoxide ion. Okay, phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion is stable through what? Resonance. Through what? Resonance. That is why in this case what, the most important point, compare with alcohol and phenol, the phenol is a more acidic than what? Alcohol. This is a fact, bear in mind. Again they are going to ask you question, why? Why phenol is a more acidic than what? Alcohol? In alcohol the electron donating group is there, plus I effect takes place, but in this case what? Indirectly we can say minus I effect. How we are going to say minus I effect? This benzene ring is act as a electron withdrawing group, automatically the hydrogen. Just here in this case what happened? Here O is there, here H is there. H will go out easily in this case. Then automatically what happened? In this case there is a formation of what? Negative charge. Okay, automatically what? Resonance stabilized. That's why the first heading is phenol is more acidic than alcohol. due to stabilization of an oxide ion through what? Resonance. Next, in this case also what divided into two parts, the one is what? Electron donating part, another one is what? Electron withdrawing part. If the electron donating is there, that time what about acidity? If the electron withdrawing is there, that time acidity. Okay, we are going to discuss. The first one is what? Electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group increases the electron withdrawing group increases the acidity of phenol. Acidity of what? Phenol by stabilizing phenoxide ion. This is also very simple. Just here in this case, here is there, this is what? Orthonitrophenol. What is the name of this one? Orthonitrophenol. Okay, and will come. First, that is why they are going to write like this. Okay, orthonitrophenol is there. This NO2 is act as a electron withdrawing group. Next question, I wrote here some of the example for electron withdrawing group. If CHO is there, aldehyde is there, that is also act as electron withdrawing group. If COH is there, that is also act as electron withdrawing group. Next, after that, cyanide, NO2, chlorine, bromine, etc. indicate what? Electron withdrawing group. These groups are present on the phenol, automatically the acidity of phenol is going to what? Increases. Okay. Next question, in this case orthonitrophenol, in this case this is a more acidic compared to what? Phenol. Comparison is the most important. This orthonitrophenol is there, phenol is there. Orthonitrophenol is one side, next phenol is one side. Out of these two, which is a more acidic? The obviously what? Orthonitrophenol, because our heading is what? Presence of electron withdrawing group increases acidity of phenol by stabilizing phenoxide ion. The next question, what is the meaning of that stabilization? Just here I am going to write that resonance. I think it is visible, no? Here I am going to write here only. Okay, just see. In this case, first I am going to take orthonitrophenol only. In just I am going to write like this. Okay, in this case, just here is O is there. I am going to take a O minus, because of what? Hydrogen will go out easily. Okay. Next, just here, after that I am going to write this is a N double bond O. This is indicate what? Coordinate bond. Okay, nitrogen is having a one lone pair. This is indicate what? Here 2 electron is there, no? That is one lone pair. In this case I am going to write oxygen. This is the structure of what? NO2. Just here in this case, this bond donate here, better I am going to shift here like this. Okay, I am going to write here. Okay, like this. This bond shift here, better I have to take that one only, no? That is better. Okay, here is shifting bond. Okay, I am going to donate here. Automatically what happen? This double bond is going to break here. In this case what happen? Nitrogen oxygen double bond is going to break. Automatically in this case we are going to get a negative charge. This process is there, no? This arrow mark, what I shown in this case arrow mark, this process is indicate what? Resonance. In this case what are the negative charge donate here? Automatically in this case double bond is going to break. In this case formation of double bond. Next, after that in this case what? Nitrogen oxygen double bond is going to break. This process takes place in what? Orthonitrophenol. More resonance is there, that is called what? More stable. Such kind of statement we had used in what? Haloalkanes and haloarine. That is important. Okay. That is why in this case what happened? We are going to get a water resonance. The meaning is there, no? The acidity of phenol by stabilized phenoxide ion through water resonance. Okay, that is why in this case orthonitrophenol compared to what? Phenol is. Here is phenol, only one resonance possible, no? Like this. But in this case what happened? You have to donate here like this. Otherwise you have to donate here, this bond donate here. Next in this case. Okay, this one I solved in what? Haloalkanes and haloarine. That is why this is important. The first point is clear. What is that? Electron withdrawing group. The next one is there what? The presence of electron releasing or a donating group. Here releasing group or a donating, both the words are same. Okay. Presence of electron releasing group decreases the acidity of phenol. Acidity of phenol is going to decreases by destabilizing. Here is word what? Stabilizing. Here word what? Destabilizing. Comparison is the most important. Destabilizing phenoxide ion. In this case which effect takes place? What? Plus I effect takes place. In this case which effect takes place? Minus I effect takes place. Electron withdrawing is there 100%, that is what? Minus I effect. If the electron donating is there, that is called what? Plus I effect. Okay, that is inductive effect. Next in this case what happen? NH2, CS3, OH etc. act as a what? Electron donating or a electron releasing. Okay, in this case just here, in this case this is usually having a what? Lone pair of electron. Just here in this case, this CS3 donate electron. I will tell you what is the fact. Okay, just here. In this case, what happened? Our aim is what? More means what? If the more acidic means hydrogen will go out easily. Just here in this case, automatically there is a formation of negative charge. Here is negative charge, hydrogen will go out easily. That's why the orthonitrophenol is more acidic. But in this case, not like that. This CS3 is an electron donating group. This can donate electron towards a benzene ring. This can donate electron towards a benzene ring. Automatically, electron density on the benzene ring is going to what? Increases. Obviously, electron density means what? The number of electrons is going to increases. When this CS3 donate electron towards a benzene ring, automatically the electron density on the benzene ring is going to increases. These electron density means these electron donate electron means these electron density move towards what? Oxygen. Obviously, in this case, what happens? The negative charge is going to increase. This is a fact. Okay. Next, after that, in this case, this oxygen is also having an electron, more number of electron. This also donated electron towards the what? Benzene ring. This benzene ring is also starting donate towards a what? Electron towards a what? Oxygen. Automatically, what happen in this case? What? Repulsion start. Automatically, what happen in this case? Repulsion start. The hydrogen will not go easily in this case, because hydrogen is not a free. Automatically, what happen in this case? The negative charge is going to increases. If the negative charge increases, means automatically attraction between oxygen and hydrogen is going to increases. Where there is attraction is there, hydrogen will not go easily. That's why this is the most important part. That's why in this case everything notes is there for your, just if I am going to read out once. What I explain here is there, methyl group is act as a electron donating group. This increases the electron density on the benzene ring. Okay, no problem. Thereby opposing, means what? Repulsion. Thereby opposing release of electron from oxygen atom to the benzene ring. Hence, in this case, what happen? Hence, the stability of phenoxide ion decreases. The stability of phenoxide ion is going to what? Decreases, causing cresol to become less acidic than phenol. Compare with what? Phenol. This cresol is there. Now, what is the name of this one? Orthocresol. Means what? Orthocresol is there, ferrocresol is there, metacresol is there. In this case, example is orthocresol. Automatically, what happens in this case? The phenoxide ion is going to destabilizing. If the destabilizing, orthocresol is a less acidic compared to what? Phenol. This is what most important part about what electron donating and electron withdrawing group is there. Next, you have to take a screenshot this one. The next I am going to what write one order is there. That order is the most important. That order asked 2 to 3 times in entrance exam. Okay, that is why I am going to write order. If you want, you can take a screenshot. I will start. Okay. Okay, friends. The next one is what? One order is there. This is the most important order. Make it practice. Okay. This is the entire. This question asked in what? Entrance. Okay. Just here, the first one is what? Picric acid. The picric acid means what? 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, this structure is there in what? Haloalkanes and halorine. If you want, I am going to write one more time, no problem. Okay, just here, in this case, what? This is OH is there. Next, in this case, what? NO2. In this case, NO2 is there. In this case, what? NO2. Just here, friends, in this case, what? 2,4,6 trinitrophenol means what? The most important part is in this case 3 electron withdrawing group is there. More number of electron withdrawing group, that is more acidic. That is why the picric acid is the most acidic. This is what? Most acidic. Okay, next after that orthonitrophenol, next metacresol, paracresol, orthocresol. Just here in this case 0.4, 7.2 is there, 10, 10.2, 10.2. These two having what? Same. This is a pK value. That is why the lower the pK, stronger the acid. Most important. Okay, not Ka. Okay, lower the pK value, stronger the acid. K is different. Okay, that is why in this case most important point. Why picric acid is a stronger acid compared to remaining all means what? In this case what? 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is a more acidic. But in this case 2 reasons are there. The one is what? Plus I effect, you know, that is orthocresol. Next one is what? Hyperconjugative effect. Hyperconjugative effect, that is most important. If you want, you can refer a PVC first year video. Okay, just here in this case, but this hyperconjugative effect is not applicable for what? Metacresol. Okay, just here in this case, just I am going to means hyperconjugative effect. If you want, you can note down that point. Hyperconjugative effect is not applicable for metocresol, bear in mind, because the most important point I will explain here only why it is so. The first one is what? Clear, okay, or the 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, that is indicate what? Picric acid. Next after that what? Orthonitrophenol is there, orthonitrophenol, okay, is it clear? NO2 group is there, these two are what? Electron withdrawing. The next start what? Electron donating group, in this case what is that? Metocresol is there, no? Metocresol means if you want you can write, no problem, like this also, otherwise OH you have to write, CS3 you have to write, no problem. Okay, this is indicate what? Metocresol. In this case what? CS3 donating group is there. Just here in this case what? This is also donating group, this is also donating group. If the electron donating or releasing group is there, that is ortho and para directing group. The meta directing group is what? Not possible. So that's why in this case what? Hyperconjugative effect is what? Not possible. But when we are going to study about what? One more is there. What is that? Paracresol. I am going to take this one is what? Para. If you want to write same time, paracresol only. Next after that what? Orthocresol. What is that? Ortho, no? CS3. Next one is what? Orthocresol. Okay. Just here in this case, this CS3 is there. CS3 is what? Electron donating means what? Ortho and para directing. These two are what? Correct. But this meta directing is there. No, meta directing is there. There is no hyperconjugative effect is what? Not possible. That's why. Next, some of you are thinking about value is same 10.2, here is 10.2. Why paracresol is more acidic than what orthocresol? Means very simple, due to steric hindrance. The important point. One more point is means in this case this OH group is near to CS3. These two are what? Very near, but these two are what? Away from each other. In this case what? This OH donate electron towards the benzene ring, this CS3 also donate the electron towards a benzene ring. In this case what? Slightly the repulsion, opposing force is less compared to what? This one. But in this case opposing force is more. Where there is opposing force is more, the hydrogen will not go easily. So this orthocresol is less acidic compared to paracresol. Bear in mind folks, the most important point is there. Okay, next after that one more point is there here. Okay, this is also important. Compare with phenol and ethanol. Phenol is a more acidic than what? Ethanol. That's why phenol is a million times more acidic than what? Ethanol. Okay, no problem, bear in mind, this point is also important. Okay, up to this what? Acidity of phenol is completed, acidity of alcohol is also completed. Okay, the most important point, if you want you can take a screenshot. I will start the next one is what? That is esterification. We will study next video friends. Subscribe and promote the channel. Thank you.